Okay. Yeah. So see here, a Python, in Python we have a collection concept. In collection concept, what we have, we do have a string, sets, a tuple, list, and also dictionary. In this dictionary is yeah, dictionary. In dictionary, many questions are asked in interview. So it is one of the important concept. IMP, important concept. So guys, dictionary is really important. So I wanted you to be till the end, means till 12:30. Yeah, mostly till 12:30 we will continue this class, and within this 12:30 we are going to see the agenda. The agenda is agenda. First, basics of dictionary, and second one is inbuilt methods and functions, and third one is we are going to see now problem solving. Four problems of lead code. We will solve these problems of lead code. So this is our agenda, guys. So are you guys ready for the dictionary concept to learn? Raise your hands. You all are ready for this? One, two, three, four, five. Out of 27, let me see how many of you are ready. 8. Okay, I do see like highest 8, and the remaining are I don't know. But please do, whoever is listening, please do listen it at most concentration with a focus. Yeah, because sometimes this concept is confusing also. So let's start. So I will be checking your chat box also. Mhm. Now, now, can you tell me what is the symbol of this? Write it in the comment box fast. At least 3 to 5 members. If you write now, it will be like very much interesting for me to teach you all. One, two answers I got. At least 3 to 4 members. Okay, Pranav and another person. List. Yeah, it is list. Correct. Let's go with a different one. This. What is this? Okay, you said list, no? Let me write list. Yes, correct. What is this? If I write something in a exactly. So if I write something in a double quotes or single quotes, what it is? Pranav said empty string. Others? A string. Okay, correct. Yeah, exactly. I do. Yes, agree with you. Strings. Now, if I write something in a round brackets, now what happens? Pranav again, a tuple. Others? Guys, you all like I saw you all have many of them have raised their hands. You can type it. Tuple. Very good. 522 last. Good. This is tuple. And then we do have this. What it is? Yes, exactly. This is called dictionary, guys. But how to represent sets then? Uh, then what is this? This part, fifth one. Okay. Fifth one is what? Set, guys. So now we have seen 1 to 5. Perfect. Now, can you tell me list is ordered or unordered? Good. Yes, it is ordered. Ordered. Very good. Now, how about a string? String is ordered or unordered? String. Ordered. Ordered. Okay. Ordered means what, guys? Ordered means, for example, let me create one more. Control N. Here I can show you. A is equal to, in the list, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, and then print A. Okay. If I execute this, then what I'm getting here, I'm getting, let me close this once again. I'm executing it. So see, list is ordered. That is the reason I'm getting what, whatever I have given, 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 I'm getting. Okay. So in the same way, is my strings are ordered? Yes, you said it is ordered. Okay. So now let's see one example whether it is ordered or not. So here in the place of this, I'm writing what, double quotes. Okay. And here I'm just giving here random things, QWERT. Okay. Now let's execute this. So with this, what we understood, even strings are also ordered, guys. Now tell me tuple. How about tuple? Tuple is ordered. Yes, tuple is also ordered. Very good. Now let's see once whether tuple is ordered or not. So what I will do here is simply, yes, this round brackets. Yeah. So in the place of this, let me write something else, comma A, comma Q. Yeah. I'm getting error. Why so? Because why I'm getting error, guys? Yeah, Q is not defined because Q I need to write, it is a letter. I need to keep it in a quotes. Now let's see. Exactly. So I'm getting, ordered only. Fine. We understood. Yeah. So dictionary is, sorry, tuple is ordered. Now let's come about sets. Is sets are ordered? Fifth one. Perfect. Sets are what? Unordered. Unordered, guys. So sets are unordered. Unordered means what? We already have seen. It is, yeah, same way. What I have to replace it with the curly braces. Here also curly braces. Now let's execute this. See, Q is at the last, but in the output I'm getting 8 at the last. So it means it is not giving me the exact order. Okay. So it means what? Sets are unordered. Okay. And how about dictionary? Can anyone? It is also, no, it is also unordered. Unordered, guys. Yeah. So till 3.7 version, it is unordered. Now, is duplicates are allowed in this list? Duplicates are allowed? Yeah. So what I will write is DA. DA means duplicates are allowed. No, duplicates are allowed. Now, is in the strings duplicates are allowed? Yes. Yes. Duplicates are allowed. In the tuple, duplicates are allowed? Yes, exactly. Duplicates are allowed. In sets, duplicates are allowed? Yeah, so duplicates are not allowed. DNA. Okay. And in dictionary, values, duplicates are allowed. For values. For values it is allowed, not for keys. Okay. So This is what the difference is. Now, is list is mutable? Mutable? Can okay, so mutable. Is a string is mutable? String is mutable, huh? No, not mutable, guys. Not mutable. NM. Tuple is mutable? Not mutable. Tuples are also not mutable. Set is mutable? Mutable. Set is mutable, guys. And this is also mutable. Mutable. Okay. So these things you have to remember this. These are the very basic things. But okay, these are very basics. You have to remember all this. Okay. So I guess you all have written. You know this. Fine. Now let's go with our today's concept that is called dictionary. Yeah. Now here, just small question. We have this list. We have strings, and then we have sets. For example, one, two, and then we have frozen set. So what is the difference between set and frozen set, guys? Anyone? What is frozen set? What is a frozen set? One, two, three. Okay. And here also I'm just writing one, two, three. And here also one, two, three. Fine. Now, can you tell me what is the same? One thing is very similar in this. Uh, when we try to add elements into the set, it does not allow. It shows the original set. Frozen set is yes, correct, Rishit. So it is correct exactly. So frozen set is a set. It is one of the set only, but it is immutable. Now, I wanted you to observe it. One thing is very common in this. Now, don't tell me the values. What is the common thing in this? Tell me what is the common in all this. I'm giving you a 30 seconds of a time. Think on this. Yes. What is the common in this, guys? Anyone? Anyone? Tell me what is the common in this. The numbers are separated with the comma. Yeah. Yes, you are very close to the answer, Pranav. Numbers are separated with a comma. That is one thing. Good. Yeah, let me write down. First point is numbers are rated by comma. Other one? One more thing is there. Guys, others also can try. What is the common? The question is what is common in all this? List of numbers are printed in different data types. Yeah, fine. Guys, see, the common thing is individual elements, no duplicates. Okay. Yeah, but my point is individual in the individual elements individual elements are separated by comma. Okay. So we are talking about individual elements here. This one is the individual element, one, two, here also one, two, three. These individual elements are separated by comma, guys. Okay. That is the difference. No, that is a common, actually, common thing in all this. Okay. Now, coming to the dictionary, let's see what is a dictionary. In dictionary, for example, dictionary is equal to like this curly braces. Now here 17 colon, for example, if I'm writing your name here, for example, Pranav, Pranav, yes. Now I will just separate it and we'll go with the 18. Maybe you can think it as a roll number, and then here I will write it as Rishit. Yeah. Now, what do you think in this? How many numbers are separated by the comma? This is not an individual number. This is two things here. Yeah. So two things are separated by the comma. So what is this two things, guys? So here it is nothing but we call it as what here. This portion is known as pair. Yeah, it is making one pair, right? This one is a pair, and this one is also a pair. Yeah. So a pair is getting separated by the comma. That is the point here. Now, what is this 17? 17 is a key. And what is Pranav? Pranav is a exactly value. Yeah. So key and value. So we can say that dictionary dictionary is a collection of key value pair. Yes. So if anyone is asking you what is a dictionary, you can say that dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Okay. So simple definition, guys, it is. Now, let me also copy this. It will be like a note for you. No, here, notes. So whenever we are writing a notes, I will like separate it with a line, and then I can also share this notes to you in the chat. Will that be okay? So there I have copied this notes. Fine. Now that is what. Yeah. So what we can write here is dictionary is equal to, in the curly braces we can give what, key colon value. Okay, this is a syntax, overall syntax it is. Syntax. Okay, syntax of what, dictionary. Understood, guys, everyone? Now let's see what are the characteristics. So characteristics directly here only I can write in this notes. Okay, can you guys tell me what are the characteristics? First one, what is the first one? Key value pair. Okay. Second one, it is mutable, guys. It is mutable. What we can say that dictionaries are what, we can able to change the values. Okay, but keys are immutable. So here mutable, it is mutable. Third one is it is unordered, and then fourth one is hashable keys. Hashable keys. What is the meaning of hashable? Means indirectly it is immutable. Immutable. And fifth one is dynamic sizing. Dynamic sizing. And then sixth one, duplicates are allowed or not in this? Duplicates are, yeah, duplicate values are allowed, but not keys. Keys are not allowed duplicates. And it has a it has good accessing. Accessing is very fast because of this hashing table. Eighth one. Now it can store different data types, means heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. Yes. And then ninth one is, does it has a slicing? No slicing. No, no slicing. The tenth one is no indexing. Yeah, no indexing. So it does not support slicing and it does not support indexing. These all are what? These all are 10 characteristics. If anyone is asking you in the interview, you can at least tell few points. Okay, so you have some knowledge about it. Okay, guys, understood the characteristics. Now let's see the practically why it is so. So now, yeah, we'll talk each and everything. So this is done. Now, what are the practical applications of this? Practically, also we do have some applications, right? Otherwise, what is the use of this collection? Like for set practical application is what? It does not allow the duplicate. So duplicate file we cannot insert in the container. No. Practical applications. What are the practical applications? Let's see. First one, yes, it has a counting occurrences. So that is the reason in many duplicates we do use this hash map. It is also known as hash map. So we do use for counting occurrences. Counting occurrences. Second one is mapping relations. And database representation. Database representation. And the fourth one is we can say that grouping of data by key. By key. And also data aggregation. So these all are what? These all are some theory concept, like what is the characteristics, what is the practical application, all those. Okay. So now we'll see some examples also here. Now, some examples are, now let me check with uh, I will create one empty dictionary. For example, student is equal to, this is my empty dictionary. Now in this empty dictionary, what I need to do is I need to add capital S student, and then for example 529. Okay, 529 is the ID of a student, and then here Pranav. Pranav. Okay. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to just print student. So this was a, what was this? It was a empty. dictionary, but now I'm filling something in that. Let's see what is the output here. Yeah. So it means what I have done here, guys, whenever it was empty earlier, but now I have inserted. So what is the meaning of this? Which characteristics it is? It is working on which characteristics, guys? Here, what is the example of this? Earlier it was nothing, but now I'm adding something. If I'm adding something, then what I can say that this structure is a mutable or immutable? Yeah. Correct. Exactly. It is mutable. So now, not only one, can I also add some other characters? Like, I mean to say, some different data types. It will also follow the heterogeneous. Now, let's see. Uh, I have written that. And now, once again, student. Now, here, let me write the student's college name. College name. And then equal to VGIT. So, here, what I'm adding now is I'm adding another pair. The another pair is what? College name and then name, exactly the value, key and value. Now again I'm just printing print student. So this time two things are there. It means what? Different data types. Different data types means what? Earlier it was integer as a key, but now it is string. So hence what is proved, guys? It is supporting what? Dictionary. Dictionary concept is supporting heterogeneous. Yeah, exactly. So now, for example, let me also go with the float ones. Student, and then here marks. For example, let's see, the pronounced marks is how much? What is your marks? You have to tell me in the CGPA out of 10. 8.4. Okay, 8.4. And then again, I'm just printing it. Student. Yeah, let's execute this. So yeah, it means what? Different data types are being allowed, and also it is mutable. Okay. So with this example, that is one part is very clear, guys. So what I will do is, yeah, one more thing what I can do here is, now college name is already there here. Can I write the college name something else? I'm trying to change the college name. For example, any other college name. Okay. Any other college name? Not VJIT. Let me take it as RGUKT. Okay. So print student. Now, can you tell me whether it will be any error or VGIT will be replaced by RGUKT? Think once. Yes. Will it replace VGIT or it will be same or it will throw any error? What will be your answer, guys? VGIT will be replaced because values are mutable, not keys. Perfect. Yeah. Now let's see. Let's execute this. See here in the last line. ID, Pranav, college name, RGU. Okay, so earlier it was VGIT, but now it is RGUKT. Good. So with this, we have understood these few things. Now what I will do is I will just keep it in your notes here. So the notes heading will be what? Creation, creating dictionary, creating dictionary and adding elements, adding elements. And I'm just pasting it. Up to here we are done. Good. Now, now let's see how this loops works. Loops. So now, for example, uh, in order to work with the loop again, let me create again name details. Student is equal to empty, and this time student here 1017. Then let me give my name, or this time any other names. I can see Rishit. Okay, and then name of the college student, college name, VGIT. Okay, now marks the student marks. Now this time let me go with a 8.5 print student. So let's see. Now everything is fine with Rishit. Yeah. Okay. Here. Now I just don't want to print simply. I just wanted to run a loop. So let's run the loop for I. I in range. Generally we do write range, but here we have student. Student. Okay. Student. And then print. Okay. Before this, I need to also check whether it is supporting indexing or not. So what I can do here is print student in the box. This is a subscript. I just wanted to print the marks -1. I wanted to access the last pair. Can you tell me what would be the output for this? Usually it should be like this is first thing, this is second, third element. So in the third element, I'm trying to access the last 8.5. Okay, you are saying 8.5. Okay. But in the characteristics, we mentioned that it doesn't support indexing and also slicing. Now let's see practically what happens. So it's an error. What is the error? Python student key error, guys, -1. It is not possible to access with the help of indexing. Indexing is not allowed. Okay. Now, when indexing is not allowed, let's try for slicing ones. Slicing 1:2. Can you tell me whether it is allowed or not? No, sir. Yeah, correct. When indexing is only not allowed, slicing is also on the basis of indexing only. Na? Start until end. Again, the step value we do have. So let's execute this once. So what it is saying is unhashable type. It is unhashable. Unhashable means what? Mutable. Yeah. So okay, this is not working out. Now let's go with the for loop for I in student, student colon. No. print, here I wanted to print I, and that too also same in the same line. And here. Now, can you tell me what would be the output? Think once. Can be the output. Will it print the keys? Will it print the values? Will it print both? Yes, guys. What would be the output for this? Any idea? Anyone? Whoever is watching? No? It will print the keys. Okay. Good. Let's execute this. Yeah. So 101 college name marks. So what it is? Exactly. It is printing what? It is printing the keys, right? This side portion, left side part, it is printing. You see, college name and marks. So it means what? What is the meaning here is generally when we do only I, if we go with this, it will only print keys. Keys. Okay. This is also I'm just noting it down in the notes. Loops in dictionary. Okay. But what I need to do is mm, hmm, let me mark this with a numbering so that I will not get confused whether it is which file. Now, but now I wanted to print the values, guys. I wanted to get a values. How to get a values? Yes. So can I do like this? Yeah, student of I. Yeah, student of I. Yes, correct. Let's see whether I'm getting value or not. So Rashid VJIT. Yes, values are getting printed, guys. This is the way to print values. So student directly and then I. So it is what we are, it means what the key in total student, the key position, whatever it is there, this one we are printing. That is the main intention of it. Okay, good. So this also let me make it in the notes to print the values here. To to print values like this we can use. But now with another way also we can do something like inbuilt methods or also we have. So let's see how we can print that. Now here I just don't want anything in this. I'm just representing here keys in the place of I. Here it is KEY key. Okay. So for key in student, and here just I will keyword dot keys and then brace, and I will print here what key now. what would be the value? What would be the output? Let's see. So this output it is what we can able to print with this, guys. Yeah. So with this, we can able to print what? Keys. This. So here we have this keys is what? Inbuilt methods. Now, but I wanted to print values. Now, here, print keys using inbuilt methods. Exactly. So here, yeah, print key. This is a one. Now, for the values, yeah, just we need to, we can change here anything. Value I'm just giving, and here it is values, correct? Values. Here it is values. And what I need to print? Value. So I'm getting what? Value. Fine. So with the help of this, we can able to print all this. Okay. Now, but whereas I wanted to print everything, so there should be any inbuilt methods to print all the pairs. So now let's see here. Print. I just want to print a student dot items. So item is also what inbuilt methods. Now let's see what is the output we are getting. Is it printing all? See, it is printing everything. It is printing in the list, right? In the list, and the pairs are in tuples. This is a tuple. This is also a tuple. Yeah. So with the help of this print, we can get both. Prints both key and value. Okay. Now I can go with the items with the loop also. So now I wanted to print both keys and values. So what I need to do? Key, comma, value in student dot items colon print. What I need to print? Both key, comma, value. See here, this is a key and this is a value. Fine. So together we can able to print this here. Yes. So guys, you all are understanding up to here. We have understood. If you have understood, just please raise your hands. Very good. Good to see that you all have understood. Nice. Now, now what we do is we'll go with some more things to see. Now let's see how many of you can answer this code once. So this is done. Now here I will take it what? Just I will take here empty dictionary, and then Yeah. Here I will take what this is. What is this? It is a list. So empty dictionary we have a list with elements. Now d of 2 equal to 0. D of 2 equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? Yeah, 2 is the key and 0 is the value. Perfect. Good. Now I will take what B. B is equal to, we'll take total in one list. D of A of 0, 0 comma 1. Now I just wanted to print B. Can you tell me what would be the value of B? Let's see how many of you can answer. Guys, you can just answer it manually. I know you are at online, you can try searching also. But still, yeah, anyone? No one? Praneeth Reddy. 10, 10 comma 1. Okay. Mm-hmm. Good. Let's see the output. Oh, I'm getting some error. What is this? Key error is 10. Wait, I got some message. Mhm. Sir, sir, it will come error as D10 is not defined with the value. Okay, correct. D10 has not been defined with a value. So, for example, if I keep 10 here now, yeah, now this is what 10 equal to 0. Now, how we got 0 and 1? That is my question. So, exactly 1. See, this 1 is not in a dictionary part. Yes, from here to here, it is a dictionary. Yeah. So, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is at key is equal to 10. When key is 10, value is 0. Understood? Now, how about this? A of 0. What is A of 0? A of 0 means 10. A of 0 means 10 only, right? Now, but what we are writing here, D, inside this D, again we are taking A of 0. So the meaning here is, hmm, the meaning here is D 10. That's it, right? When A of 0 is a 10. Okay, to avoid the confusion, I'm writing this in new line. Now, a of 0 is 10 only, right? Am I making sense? Okay. So now d of 10, what is this d of 10? D of 10 is 0 only, na? Here only the value I have given here. See, the meaning is this only. D of 10 is equal to 0. So our answer is what? 0 only, right? Understood, guys? So total answer is, total output is 0 comma 1. Here is the explanation part. This is the explanation. So how many of you understood this? Just raise your hands. Good. Many of you have understood. Nice. Good. So now we'll copy this also in your notes. Notes here. So at the end of the class, I'll share this notes to you, to all of you. Mhm. Now, now we have something like some methods. Let's see what are those methods. Yeah. So with an example, we'll see with an example what exactly they are doing, and you have to tell me. Yes. So first, I need to create a dictionary. D D is equal to, and here I'm just giving what name, and then here we'll give the name as Alice, and the age. Age is 25, comma, city, city. Okay. City is, because it's this name seems different, so city should be what? Different. New York. New York. Okay. Now, just print D and let's see everything is fine or not. I'm also making it little smaller. 25. Yeah. Is it visible still? Fine, right? On your screen? It's visible, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So let's execute this. Name, yeah, everything is fine, good, working good. So now I wanted to update. So let's also update this. So what I will do here is we'll update. We'll add one more thing in this. D and then gender. So gender, I'm just giving what Alice is female, female. And now I wanted to print this. Now let's see whether this is getting printed or not. Yes, gender is also there. Good. So up to here, I don't have any problem. Good, good going. Now, I also wanna update something. So see here. Now it is D dot update. What I wanna update is country. So here I'm just writing what country colon. So let's make it as USA. Okay. So what I'm doing exactly with the help of update, guys? Can you tell me? Is this update and a gender. No, sorry, update and this second and third line both are doing the same work or not? Even the second line is also adding one pair and the third line is also adding one pair. Yes or no? Let's see whether it is adding or not. Let's see the example output. Oh, I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error, guys? Because in this update, I need to write what? Curly braces. Okay. D dot update curly braces. Now let's see. Yes. Age, city, New York, gender, country, USA. Yeah. So this is what update. Okay. Changes you made. Cancel. Okay. So the meaning here is the meaning of the second line and the third line both are seems to be same only. Yes or no, guys? Is it same? Yeah, obviously it is same. Now what I will do is I just wanted to get age. Now can you tell me what will be the value? What will be the output? D dot get, and here what it is? It is just a key. So I'm just entering a key to get the value. So what I got? I got 25. Yeah. Now for example, okay, my screen is not visible. Fine. Now is it? It's visible now? Okay. See guys, now d dot get age. Age means what? It is my key. With the help of this key, what I'm getting the value. See here. This is the value. And here, second line and third line both are working same. So here also gender has been added and this country also been added. So even to add anything, we can use this two ways. First way already I told you, but this is update one also you can use update. So now here, not only age, for example, if I write country, let's see what is the output. USA. Okay. So for whatever the value you wanted to get, you just need to insert it where? Inside this get. Okay. So this get is very important one. Get is also one of the inbuilt method. Update is also one of the inbuilt method, guys. Fine. This we understood. Now let's print d dot pop. Pop what? City. So pop means what this pop does. Yes. Can anyone tell me what will be the output for this pop? Yes, guys. POP pop. It removes the key value pair city. Okay. It removes, but also it displays. Now let's see the output. Yeah, it is New York. See here. So now USA and New York. So the key value pair. Okay. Now here city is what? The value at city. City is a key. Now if I print the total D, now let's see whether city is there or not. City is gone. Yeah. So it means what? It removes, but it displays whatever it has removed. That is the speciality of pop. So I hope you understood pop. Now we also have one more thing. Here it is displaying what? Value, right? This is displaying value. Value. Now one more method we have d dot pop item. Pop item. Now let's see what this does. Can you guess? Item means you already know. Pop item. Can anyone guess what would be the output for this pop item? Yeah. So what would be the pop item is? Let's see. Yeah, it is displaying the total pair. See here. So what is it displaying? It is displaying country, and country is a key. USA is a value. Okay. Now let's print the D normal D. Yeah. Two things are removed in this. One is New York associated data, and then this pair. Okay. So to remove a pair directly, we can use what? Pop item or pop. Okay. This is done. This is done. Fine. Now D dot. Now I wanted to print the keys. And yes, what will be the output for this? D dot keys. Yeah, it is a method. So I need to keep the braces. Now can you tell me what will be the value of keys? What are the keys will be printed here after removing of this two? Name, age, country. No guys. Yeah, you are correct. Name, age, but it is gender, not country, because country has been removed, right? Pop item. What this pop item will do? It remove the last pair and display the pair. Pop item means last element was this one only, na? Update. So it has already removed the last pair. Country has been removed. So keys correct. Name, age, gender. Fine. Now print d dot values. Can you tell me now what will be the output for this? Yeah, let's see. So Alice 25 female. Perfect. Hmm. So here we got Alice 25 female. 25 female. Fine. So keys means all keys you are getting. Values means all values. A particular value I wanted to get. So we can use what get. Now, if I print d dot items, now what I will get in items? Pairs. Yes, I do get a pair. See here, name, Alice, age. So pairs I'm getting. No. Print name in D. Now can you tell me what is the output? Which operator it is? In is. Tell me what is the operator name? Yes, guys, what is the name of the operator in? Yes, anyone there? So operator in is what? Membership operator. So it returns true or false. So now, is it true? His name is there. Let's see. So it is true because why it is true? Yes, it is true because name is there in D dictionary. Name is there, right? Name key is there. Now, can I go with this instead of name? I just wanted to go with the 25. 25 in D. Let's see. What I'm getting? False. Why I'm getting false, guys? 25 is 25 is not there. 25 is also there, but this in checks only keys. Exactly. Yes, it checks only keys. That is the reason here we are getting false. So that's it. Now one more thing. Print d dot set default, and here email comma some email I'm writing about Alice at the rate example.com. Okay, so now what happens? Set default. Let's see the output. Yeah, once I have done this, now let me also print the D, total D. Is there any impact on this because of that line? Yeah, so yes, there is. This email is a key, and Alice at the rate example.com is what value. So we can also add in this way also. So set default. Okay, so it is a default for this email. Now, finally, I just wanted to clear everything. D dot clear. Now, I just wanted to print this. Print D. Now, can you tell me what will be the output after clearing? What would be the answer? Clearing. Yeah, let's see what is this cleared as. So what happens? Yeah, empty dictionary. So that's it. We are done with this. Now let me copy this code here. This methods. Now let's go with the functions. Yeah, I do see empty yes, empty dictionary it is. Okay. Mhm. Now let's see the functions. Can you guys can you name at least five functions what we have learned so far? Any five? Okay, we'll help you here. The functions are like we have len. No, these all are methods, inbuilt methods. But functions are it is applicable for all the collections. So like len, max, min, sum, any, all, sorted. Okay, so these all are what functions. See one example of all this. Let's see. Now we'll take R. This is my A colon 10, comma, B, B colon 70, comma, C, C colon 30. Okay. Now print R and then print length of R. Now, so can you tell me what will be the length of R? What is the length of this dictionary? 3. Yeah, let's see. Exactly, it is 3 guys. So first we are printing the total dictionary and then 3. Good. Now, yes. Let's go with the max. Print max of capital R. Yes. Now can you tell me what is the maximum? What is the max? 10, 70, 30, or A, B, C? Max of R. Let's see. C. We are getting what? C guys. So why we are getting C actually? B is 70, okay, but C is 30. So it is not comparing the values. It is checking only, okay. For example, yeah, only keys. And that too, how it is taking the maximum ASCII value. For example, here, if I keep here Z and column 1 I give. Now what will be the max? Max is Z. Yeah, max is Z guys. Okay. So what is this does is maximum it only access keys keys to get the max value. Okay. Now based on this, can you tell me what is the minimum print min of uh, is it okay? Let me add one more thing here. capital A colon 4. So now what is the minimum? So it is, yeah, min is what? Capital A, because ASCII is less for A, capital A. Okay, maximum is done. Print any of D. What is any of D, guys? Any of D means at least one element is true. At least one element is true. Everything will be true, guys. So true means what? Non-zero. So here, yeah, D is not defined. Do you mean ID? Somewhere I made mistake. Yeah. Any R. Correct. So here it should be like R, right? No, true it is. No. So I guess you understood about any. In the same way, we have all also. Print all of R. So here, what is the meaning of this is, if all the cases are true, then only the result is true. So here also everything is true only, right? So two times true I got. Okay. Now let's see the sorted things. Print sorted sorted of D. Now sorted of D means what? Can you tell me what will the output for this? Anyone? Yeah, sir. What about it will be true, I guess. Yeah, it will be true because all has two conditions. If everything is true or if nothing is true, in that case it has to print true. Is it true for empty? Let me remove this for a while. Control X, and let's see here. Max is an empty sig. Okay, so what I need to do is max argument is an empty. Okay, this will check once. First, let me go through the sorted ones. Then I will come back to this sorted. Can you tell me what would be a sorted? How it will sort? Like 4, 10, 30, 70, or it will sort on the keys or sort on the values. Let's see. Okay, here it is R. Once again, I made the same mistake here. Be R. Okay. Now, yeah. So it is also sorting on what keys. So this is, yeah, it is sorting the keys keys on basis of ASCII values. Means ASCII values of the characters. Good. Up to here we understood. Now print sorted. I just wanted to sort this R comma is equal to R dot get. Now, in what manner this will be getting sorted? Yeah, let's see the output once. Okay, once again, see here, the output is last one, capital A, small a. Again, here we got C, then B. So, what is the meaning of this? Yeah, first capital A, again A, 4A, then C, then B. So, here it is getting sorted on the values, sorting on basis of values. Okay, so the keys are getting sorted on the basis of values. Okay, so now how we are getting, first is what, ascending order. First smallest one is what, 4 means A, capital A, then small a is what, 10, then B is at the last because 70 is biggest value, then here 30. In that way it is, we are sorting it. Now print sum. Let's see what is this sum does. Sum of R. If I do this sum of R, let's see what is the output. I'm getting error. Why? Because I cannot make the sum. Yeah. But for example, in the place of this, I just want it right here, one, and then here two, and then here three, and then here it is four. Now let's see whether it is going to sum. Oh, so yeah, sum is working perfectly. Yes, sum is done. Here it is A, B, C, capital A. Okay. So with this we are done, guys. Sum is what? It is done on, this is done on keys. Okay. But here it will give us error because we cannot do the sum for the characters. Print sum for R dot values. Now what happens? Now can you tell me what is the value of this? Mhm. 114. Exactly, correct. So now sum is done on values. So this is also done. Let me add this in our notes here. Functions are done. So as you are understanding, just raise your hands if you have understood so that we can go with the next concept. 6. Good. Okay, I do see many of you have understood. Yeah, you all have understood in this. Yeah, now good, guys. Now let's go with one more concept here. We have something called enumerate. Can you tell me what is this enumerate is does? What is this enumerate? With one example, you'll understand better. Let's go with this. fruit fruits is equal to, just I'm taking in a list some fruits like apple, and then here banana, and then here cherry. Cherry, yeah. For index, so enumerate means it also takes indexes, also values, and then fruit in enumerate, enumerate function, and in this what I'm passing is fruits column. I just wanted to print index comma fruit. Now let's see what is the output here. Yeah, what is the default of the zero? Sorry, default of this apple is zero, guys. So zero is a default one. Now this is done. For example, I don't want to start from a zero. I wanted to start from a 500. So what I can do here is fruits comma start equal to 500. Now let's see. Yeah, is it starting from 500, guys? See, 500 apple, 501, 502 cherry. Yeah. So this is a example from, by where we can also print the indexes and values. Here it is, enumerate, enumerate. Okay. So this is the enumerate is done. Okay. So guys, now we are done with the basic concepts, things we are done. Now let's go with the problems. So are you guys ready for the problems? Just write ready in the chat box. We'll see one or two or three problems. By 12:30 we'll wind up. So just mention, comment ready. One, at least five readies. Then uh, Pranav is asking, sir, if R is this much, what about all? What if R is okay? We'll see that. Yeah, I told you that we'll discuss on this. Yeah. Meanwhile, guys, everyone just type ready. Mhm. So if R is equal to this, print all of R. True. So it is a by default, Pranav. Whenever, so here for all, note for all, this all, if if it's empty, or if at least if should be if it's empty, or if it's full of non zeros. If these two conditions are satisfying, then it is then it is true. Here it is true. That is a rule. True. Okay. All. For all it is. If it is empty, then also it is true. It is just a rule. It is just a rule. Now, one more question you asked me is, let me comment this. You asked me false. Okay. False colon 0. And now what is all of? Now let's see. It is false. False. Why it is false? Because a pair is there. Pair is there, but it is it satisfying the condition? Is it a empty? No, it is not empty. Is it a full non-zeros? No. So I hope I answered your question. Yes. So two conditions. So let me make this note clearly. All satisfied two conditions. First one is empty plus all non-zeros. All non. That's it. So that's fine. How many readies I got? One, one, two, three readies. Huh? At least five. One, two, three, four. One more. One more ready. We are waiting for. One more person can mention ready. Perfect. So now let's start the problem solving. Yeah, good. Now let's go with the problem solving. First one. Now I will explain you very simply. I'm not going to write a big line paragraphs. Okay. With the example, I will make you understand. So see here nums. In this, we have numbers 2, 7, 11, and then 15. And here we have one target. Target is equal to 9. Now you have to give me the indexes. Indexes which makes 9. So what are the indexes which is making 9, guys? What is the answer? What are the two numbers you are adding? Two numbers you are adding. Two numbers you are adding to get target. What are the two numbers? That is 2 plus 7. It gives me what? 9. Perfect. But we wanted what? Indexes of these numbers. Okay. So what are the indexes? Very good. 0 comma, or let me take it in a list. 0 comma 1. So this is the question, guys. The question is this itself. Now, what you have to do is you need to use, yeah, the question is the problem name is twosome. Twosome. This is the name of the problem. Twosome, guys. Name of the problem is what? Twosome. Now, in this, you have to try and how we can able to solve this problem. So let's see. Problem name is twosome. This is example. Yeah, indexes we have to return. Indexes of these numbers are this. No, this is a input. These two are input and the output is what? Indexes. Fine. So now, how to solve this? So now we have many approaches, but I'm discussing about three approaches. Three approaches. First one is brute force, brute force approach. What is the meaning of this? All possible. Mm, sir, I have already solved it in my code class. Oh, very good. Who is this? What's the name? Pranav only, na? Good. But what are the approaches? You have solved it very good. Now, what is this brute force? Means all the possible ways, guys. Now, for example, here, see here. For example, I'm just taking 16. Here is my 8. Here it is 23. And here it is 4. And then here it is 15. Now, these are the numbers. First step, what I need to do is target is 19 here. Okay. So target is 19. Now, first thing is what I need to do. Take a 16 plus. What do you have to add? I have to run a loop here. This part and then this part. This both the things I need to add, right? So 16 plus 8. Is 16 plus 8 is giving me 19. It is giving me how much? 24. It is not giving me 19. So let's go with the 16. 16 plus 23. 16 plus 23 is how much? 39. 39 is also not giving me the 19. So similarly, where we have to go again? 16. 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. So it means we have to keep on going with 16. If the 16 with all of this is done, then again we have to go with the 8. The pointer will be up to 8. And from 8, and then it has to go with 23, 4, and 15 like that. 8, 23, 4. Now here 16 plus 15, 31, 31. So this is not satisfying. Now let's go with a 8. So 8, 8 plus 23. How much 8 plus 23? 31. No. Again 8 plus 4. How much? 12. That is also not 19. Target value it is not reaching. Again 8 plus how much? 15. How much 8 plus 15? 23. This is also not touching the target value. Now this is also done. 8 is done. 8 iteration. Now go with the 23. So 23 plus 4. How much? 23 plus 4? 27. Again 23 plus 15. How much? It is 38. So 27, 38. This is also not reaching to the target one. So now next is what? 4. 4 plus 15. How much 4 plus 15? Is it 19? So this is what? Target achieved. Achieved. Okay. Now, is it factorial? See guys, in this we can able to achieve, but what is the problem is two loops we are using. Yeah, we are using two loops which gives the more calculations. It is giving me what? Big O of n cube mostly. N cube time means it is very big. So it is Not good, not suggested. Okay, that is one thing. So now second approach, second second approach is to sort the order. Now let's do the sorting. What is the sorting of it? 16, 4, 23, 8, 15, 42, 1, 2. 1 and 1 and 2. Okay. Now how to do the sorting here? Let's see. First is what? 1. Next one is 2. Next one is 4, 8, 15, 16, 23 and 42. Okay. So first what we are doing here is just sorting it. Huh. Okay. Now after sorting, what we are going to do is first we'll take what? 1. First we'll take 1 plus 42. Okay. So now again 1 plus 23. Again 1 plus 16. So like this we have to keep on going. So with this also we can get it will be usually like n log n. So big O of n log n. Yeah. So up to some extent this time complexity is okay, but we want it much more lower than this. This big O of n. So now third approach using dictionary. Sorry. What happens in this? So guys, in this, what exactly it is happening in this is in the big O of n only. Big O of not more calculations. Big O of n only. It is we are doing the work. So what happens in this is, for example, if it is 19 is equal to 4 plus 15, right? Always why to do only plus? We can also do in this way, right? 19 minus. What is the 19 minus? I can take out, for example, 19 minus 1. How much it is? 18. So I can also do the subtraction, complement. I can also take the complement of the things. Okay. Complement of these things. For example, if it is 19, 19 minus one element if you are taking out. 19 minus one element. And whatever you are removing, you can store it in a dictionary as a key value pair. Okay, so here we got what? 18. In the same way, 19 minus 4, how much I will get? 15 I will get. So the complement in this we are using, in this we are just subtracting. Yes, complement. Complement means what? Subtraction of two numbers to get the remainder one. Now, now for example, see here, observe this 16, 4, here it is 23, and then here it is 8, 15, 42, and then 1, and then here 2. Okay, so this is the numbers. Now here I have integer, integer, and then here I'm just separating it with index, index. Okay, so now I will check. What I will check? 16. This is my, yeah. So what I will do is my target is what? 19. 19 minus 16. What is the answer of this? Yeah, 3, right? So is this 3 is there in this total? Not there. So you can just mention here 3, 3, and then what is the index of this? 0. Fine. In the same way, 19 minus 4. What it is? 15. Yeah. But 15 is there in this. So we can directly go with a 4. 4 is at 1. 4 is at 1. So like this, we have to keep on going. So now when the control comes from here, 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 till here. So 19 minus 15. 19 minus 15 is what? 4. The moment if I write here 4, 4 is already there. It will not take this 4 again. If I'm writing here 15, so what is the meaning of this 15 and what is the index of this? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So index we got what? 4. So it will be keep on matching it. 4 I got. So it means already this element is present. So we don't need to do much more calculation for this. Okay. So here we are already storing it. So for example, here it is 4. Yeah, 15, because 15 is there. 15, 19 minus 15 I'm doing here is 4. 19 minus 15. How much it is? 4. Hmm. So for example, here we are storing what? 15, and then here it is 4. So we will check whether 4 at 4 what is there. We will be getting it what? With the help of the indexes. It will make sure that it is already there present in the dictionary. So with the help of this approach, no need of calculating again and again. So let's see what is the code, how this code we can write in this. Okay, here itself. Problem. Okay, guys. So let's write the code to understand it better. First, what I will do is I will take nums. Num is equal to what? 2. Guys, now only you don't get confused with the help of classes and objects. So we'll go with a simple code. Num 2 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15. Okay. Now here target is equal to is 9. Fine. Now I'm just taking a value is equal to I'm just giving what 2 sum. This is my function name, and I just wanted to print the function what value. Now in this to sum, what I'm sending, I'm taking num comma target. Fine. Up to here it is clear. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going to define a function def and then two sum. Here it is a comma b, or let me write the same num, and then b is what target. Okay. Now here I'm just taking one dictionary, empty dictionary d. D is what? Empty dictionary. Now I just want to traverse per I in range. Up to where I need to traverse, guys? Up to this number 2, 7, 11, 15. So what I have to give the range. So what is the length of this? Length is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I can give here is length of num directly. Now next one is coming here. If I'm just checking the condition, if a of, sorry, not a of, num of, it is num of I. If num of I in dictionary d, then then we have to return the index values. So how to return the indexes? We have seen dictionary. In this dictionary, a of I, a of I, and then comma I. That's it. Now if it is not there in the dictionary, then what we have to do? Else part. Else is what? Add. We are going to add that. So how we are going to add that is inside the dictionary. I'm just taking a target minus num of I equal to what? My I. So why I have written this I is, this is a very important code, guys. So now for example, see here, what is target? Target is my 9 minus what is num of I? It is 2 only. 2 is equal to what is I? Starting it will take from 0, right? I is 0. So 4 means here the length is what? 4. Yes, index value 0. So what is the meaning of this is dictionary? Here it is D. D. So here it is D of 7. D of 7 is equal to what? 0. So at the 0th index, we are storing 7. Perfect. So now again second one. 0 is done, now 1. Now number of 1. Num of 1 means what? 7 is already 7. So this 7 is already there in the dictionary. Then what happens? It will display the indexes. This is for indexes displaying. Index. So this is a simple code only. Now let's try to execute this. Oh my god, num a is not defined. Where I have written a? Here. In the place of a, what should be it is? Num. Num and target. Yeah. So yes, 0 and 1. Yeah. Did I got the answer, guys? See here. So it is a simple one. What we are doing is, this is all we know what it is. So just a empty dictionary, traversing, and if it is there in the dictionary, then display the return, return the indexes. If it is not there, then add it. Where you have to add? In the respective indexes like 0, 1, 2. That's it. So this is the code. We'll copy this in this. Yeah. Okay, fine. So guys, you all understood today's class, what we have learned. So if you all have understood, guys, then you can comment understood, and then you can leave, guys. Thank you for attending. Just you can comment understood today's class, and you can raise your hands. You all have understood, guys? Yeah, understood. Thank you. Okay. So guys, I request you all, please try to solve the quiz on this. I have already uploaded on the channel, and this video, sir, I'm sorry, this video I'm going to upload on my channel, guys. Whoever is missed, you can go through this.